Welcome to my model horse. Today we are making a miniature stable blanket with our DIY kit. In this tutorial we are making a stable blanket for Breyer horses traditional scale 1/9. It's exactly the same process for a blanket scale 1/20 like Schleich, it's just smaller. First, let's see what's inside the kit. You have the step-by-step instructions. A pre-cut piece of faux fur. The pre-cut fabric. Threads, ribbon. The Rio Rondo surcingle buckles and miniature pins. So, let's get started! Lay out the pre-cut fabric pieces with the right sides facing you. Apply some glue along the top edges of the fabric. Put one of the pieces of fabric on top of the other, with the right side facing each other, and press them to glue them down. Secure with a clothespin and let it dry. Then turn the blanket right side out. Measure and mark the spots for the ribbon using a ruler and pencil. Cut the ribbon into the desired length. Glue it down and secure it with a miniature clothespin. Add a satin ribbon. Repeat the process on the other side. Trim off any excess ribbon. Now, starting from the wizard area, apply a thin line of glue to the edge of the fabric. Carefully glue on the thread, working slowly and allowing each section to dry before moving on. Take your time. Try to be as precise as possible. Follow the shape of the pad and avoid any glue stains. Continue gluing the thread around the rest of the edges until you reach the starting point. Cut off any excess thread and glue the end of the ribbon down. Take a piece of fur. Stretch it gently to give it the right shape. Glue it onto the wizard area. Ensure the fur is centered and fully covers the rough edges of the threads. Glue the other side under the blanket. Secure with pins and let it dry. Cut off any excess. Now let's make adjustable belly straps. It looks complicated, but bear with us, and you'll probably end up making many more for your tack projects. Cut 2 pieces of ribbons of 10 cm for Schleich and 20 cm for Breyer. Thread the ribbon through the slide buckle. Fold the end of the ribbon. Glue it down around the center bar of the sliding buckle. Secure with a miniature pin and let it dry. Repeat the process for the second belly straps. You should have 2 straps like this. Now slide the ribbon through the surcingle T-buckle. The T-part facing down, opposite side of the buckle. Now pull. Feed the end of the ribbon through both sides of the slide buckle and pull. Secure with a pin. Repeat the process for the second belly strap. The ribbon does through the T-buckle. And through both sides of the slide buckle. Secure with a pin. You have two adjustable straps now. Take the other part of the surcingle. Cut a piece of ribbon that is about 2.5 centimeters for Schleich and 5 centimeters for Breyer. Thread a ribbon through the buckle and glue the ends of the ribbons together. Repeat the process for the second strap. Secure with a pin. Now fold the very end of the ribbon on itself and glue it down for a really neat result. Repeat with the other strap. Mark the right place with a pencil and glue the ribbon down on the side of the blanket. Repeat for the second belly adjustable strap. Mark the right place on the other side of the blanket. Cut off any excess fabric. Now fold the very end of the ribbon on itself and glue it down for a really neat result. Secure with a pin. Once it's done, glue the adjustable straps down. Make sure to make it symmetrical. If you misplace it, just rip it out and try again right away. Now let's add the chest strap. Thread the ribbon through the buckle. Fold the ribbon on itself. And glue it down around the center bar of the buckle. Secure with a pin. Cut a piece of a ribbon of 2 centimeters for Schleich and 4 centimeters for Breyer. Now fold the very end of the ribbon on itself and glue it down for a really neat result. Now cut a ribbon of 4 centimeters for Schleich and 7 centimeters for Breyer. Fold both ends of this ribbon on themselves for a perfect finish and glue them down. Now mark the spots on each side of the blanket. Make sure that the straps are symmetrical. Glue the straps on each side. And your blanket is done. Now put it on your horse back and secure the straps. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that this blanket will be the first of many. Try our color simulator on our website to choose your favorite colors to match your horse personality. If you like tag making, don't forget to check out our website for more tag kits, collect model horses, and 3D prints. Bye!